Hi, Chef Jay here. Today I'm going to make pickled eggplant. Easy and quick side dish that's ready in just 15 minutes. You will need 3 eggplants, a half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Step 1. Cut the eggplants into thin slices. Step 2. Place the sliced eggplants and salt in a plastic bag and gently massage them to blend them well. Step 3. Close the bag and let the eggplant slices rest for about 10 minutes. Step 4. Make a hole in the bag and squeeze the eggplant slices to remove the excess moisture. Step 5. Transfer the eggplant slices to a mixing bowl. Add rice vinegar, soy sauce, and sesame oil to toast until well coated. I hope you will enjoy this easy and quick pickled eggplant. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe.